This is the e-learning for e-litigation. You will find in Olive the instructions on how to get into e-litigation. First of all, you enter the e-litigation training system by clicking on the link. It will bring you to this website, the e-litigation home. You then need to log in the top right hand corner. And you'll be asked for a SingPass. Do not use your actual SingPass. Instead, use one of the SingPass IDs which has been created for you and is posted on Olive, depending on your serial number on the class list. If you're not sure what your serial number is, check with your tutor. I will choose the first one. And the password for all of them is the same, pass1234. Once I click on login, I will enter the e-litigation training system. And it is now ready for me to create a new document. Now, the information that I need to create the new document, which is the writ of summons, can be found also in Olive. It is this document, MLOCT e-litigation tutorial documents, and I click on it and download it, and the document looks like this. It's a Word document, and we are acting for Mr. Song of Super Senior Private Limited. We are acting for this company in their claim against Blunder Girls. As we scroll down the document, you will see that Blunder Girls, the defendant, registration number is here, and it's a partnership. You also see that the plaintiff, Super Senior Private Limited, is a company. Back to e-litigation. What we need to do is we need to create a new case because this is the first time we're doing it. In the top right hand corner, there's a button for quick access. When you have quick access, you commence a new case. And now you are asked to fill in what kind of case type this is. When we drop down the list and we scroll to the bottom, we will see writ of summons right at the bottom. And we'll be asked, should it be in Supreme Court, State Courts, or Family Justice Courts? In order to know this, we have to go back to the documents to see. When we look at the document, we see that client wants to sue the partnership Blunder Girls because the defendant had agreed to buy the products for $280,000 but has only paid $20,000. That means there's still $260,000 left, and from there you know whether this is a high court case or whether it is a district court case or magistrate court case. This is something that you learn in legal system. Which court should this be heard in if the amount is $260,000? After you click on the correct court, other areas will come up which ask you like to key in the list of parties. We don't have any other case to add from, so we'll add the party manually. So the first party we want to put in is a company who is the plaintiff. And from the document, we know that our plaintiff, our client, is the company Super Senior. And it has a registration number, and we know that registration number. We'll have to go down to the search to get the registration number. And the date of registration. So as you can see, it is pretty simple to go around this website. And your own file reference number, which is your firm's file reference number, which you can find in the first letter. And that's all that you need for now for the party information. Now you need to put in the address, which you're also going to get from the search. And you're going to have to split it up. And when you're done, you can save. So this is being represented by your law practice because this is the plaintiff. When you're done, save. You have successfully added the plaintiff. Now we need to add the defendant. Defendant is a partnership. And it has other information which you are going to complete using the information in the Word document. So you've already seen how you do it. Remember to put it as defendant. You've already seen how we did it for the plaintiff, so we do the same thing for the defendant. I'll stop the video at this point so that you can complete the information for the defendant. When you're finished filling the information for defendant, then we will resume the next video to show you the next stage.